That was great fun! Doesn't it look fantastic? Why don't you have a go?
Bye, Mr. Maker. Bye. What's that noise?
Who's that snoring?
Time to go! Time to go!
Oh, that's it for now. My making time's over, but yours is just beginning. See you soon. It's time to put all this stuff back in its box.
If you like making things like Mr. Maker, visit bbc.co.uk/CBeebies for more ideas.